Forget everything you thought you knew about survival. Prepare to have your mind blown. With the heat cranking up, it's time to gear up and conquer the soaring temperatures. Get ready to dive into the most exciting adventure of staying cool this summer. In this video, we'll be your trusty guides, revealing the hottest heat survival hacks that will keep you fresh, comfortable, and energized throughout the scorching season. So let's jump right in and make this summer your coolest one yet. Step 1. Dressing for the heat. Feel the breeze and unleash your summer style. We'll show you how to master the art of dressing for the heat. From choosing the perfect lightweight fabrics to rocking vibrant colors that scream summer vibes, you'll turn heads while feeling as cool as a cucumber. Get ready to make a fashion statement while beating the heat like a pro. Step 2. Hydration and refreshment. Quench your thirst and savor the flavors of summer. We've got the ultimate lineup of hydrating and refreshing drinks and snacks that will keep you cool from the inside out. Say goodbye to dull and uninspiring beverages and get ready to tantalize your taste buds with creative infusions, icy delights, and juicy bites that will keep you hydrated and invigorated all summer long. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. Beat the heat by staying well hydrated. Fill a water bottle halfway, freeze it on its side, then fill the rest with water. Throughout the day, you'll have chilled water to drink wherever you go. Step 3. Creating a cool indoor oasis. Escape the heat and step into a world of pure bliss. We'll guide you in transforming your space into a cool and serene sanctuary. Discover the secrets of blocking out the sun's relentless rays, harnessing the power of fans to create a refreshing breeze, and transforming your living areas into havens of coolness. Get ready to relax, unwind, and recharge in your own personal summer paradise. Step 4. Utilizing cooling techniques. Time to chill like never before. We'll unveil an array of cooling techniques that will bring instant relief. From applying ice packs to strategic pulse points to indulging in refreshing cool showers and harnessing the power of wet towels for an instant cool down, these tricks will make you forget about the heat and embrace the joy of staying refreshed and revitalized. Homemade ice pack. Fill a sealable plastic bag with a mixture of water and rubbing alcohol, then freeze it. Use it as a cooling compress on your neck, wrists, or any areas that need a quick cool down. Step 5. Maximizing natural ventilation. Nature's breeze awaits. Discover the art of harnessing natural ventilation to create a delightful airflow throughout your home. We'll show you how to strategically open windows, position fans for the perfect cross breeze, and let Mother Nature's air conditioning work its magic. Say goodbye to stuffy rooms and hello to a breath of fresh air that will keep you feeling cool and rejuvenated. Maximize your airflow. Keep curtains and blinds closed during the hottest part of the day to block out the sun. Open windows at night to let in the cool breeze and use a portable fan to optimize airflow in your home. Step 6. Outdoor heat survival. Time to take the fun outside. We've got your back with expert tips on staying cool while enjoying the great outdoors. Whether it's seeking shade like a pro, embracing water-based activities that offer a refreshing escape, or planning your outdoor adventures wisely to avoid the scorching midday sun, you'll be able to enjoy the summer sun without breaking a sweat. Opt for lightweight and breathable clothing. Choose light-colored fabrics like cotton or linen. These natural materials allow your skin to breathe and help facilitate airflow, keeping you cool and comfortable. Step 7. DIY cooling hacks. Prepare to be amazed by our collection of DIY cooling hacks that will leave you in awe. From crafting homemade ice packs to creating mouth-watering frozen treats that will have you drooling, you'll unleash your inner creativity and resourcefulness. Discover how simple household items can be repurposed into your very own arsenal of cooling superheroes. For example, we have a simple yet effective homemade air conditioner. All you need is a large bowl, some ice, and a fan. Fill the bowl with ice and place it in front of the fan. As the fan blows air over the ice, it will create a cool breeze that will help lower the temperature in your room. This hack is perfect for those hot summer days when you need some quick relief. You're now armed with the ultimate heat survival arsenal. Embrace the summer heat with confidence, knowing you have the knowledge and tricks to keep cool and comfortable. Remember to dress to impress the heat, savor refreshing treats, create a haven of coolness indoors, cool down with clever techniques, maximize nature's breeze, conquer outdoor adventures, and unleash your DIY cooling genius. Stay cool, stay energized, and make this summer your best one yet.